Hello everyone. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Randy, and I'm excited to introduce to you ProcurityAI, a solution that aids government procurement professionals save time and cost, provide complete traceability and compliance, and reduce reliance on manual skills using our AI-driven Decision Assistant SaaS product. Powered by these features, Procurity aims to reduce procurement spend by 10 to 15%, improve processing efficiency by 25 to 30% by reducing the skill gap, and assist in 40 to 50% faster data-driven procurement award decisions. Our current version supports simple acquisition procedures with planned updates to process additional acquisition strategies. Today, we'll walk you through our product to show you how Procurity can revolutionize your procurement evaluations. Our product design is user-centric with ease of use at its core. Here on the dashboard, you have a quick snapshot of your work. This bird's eye view allows you to monitor the current state of various vendor proposals at a glance. You can customize this dashboard to display the information most relevant to you, ensuring you always have the pertinent data in view. Along the left edge, you have access to your home screen, workspace, and settings. Along the top, you have cards that quickly bring the solicitation of interest into view. And in the main section, you have access to customizable reports. The workspace divides the evaluation process into two stages: evaluation preparation and vendor evaluation. In the evaluation preparation stage, the workspace uses your agency's RFP to generate evaluation criteria guided by its understanding of the FAR, existing directives, and state acquisition regulations. Under vendor evaluation, this is where responses are uploaded, evaluated, and documented in support of your agency's decisions. This workflow is customizable to your agency structure. Solicitation documents can be on paper or in a shared drive, GSA eBuy, SAM.gov, or another procurement portal. If you have an address activity code, you will enter it under Settings and then click Fetch RFPs. Your organization's currently listed RFPs will be available at that point. You can select an RFP and click Register, and that RFP information will show up in your workflow. Additionally, you could register an RFP manually by entering all the pertinent data in these fields and uploading the supporting documentation. For our example, we're going to pick up with an RFP that's already been registered with the system. Okay, so we've clicked on the Working RFP section. We want to find the game and trail cameras solicitation. We just want to make sure that we have all the documents that we need. And we'll verify that by coming over to Documents. And I can see that we have a statement of work, the solicitation, and its accompanying amendments. So let's go ahead and move this over to the evaluation workspace and let AI do the heavy lifting and power your process. While the criteria are being generated, visual cues such as the AI in progress screen and the in progress prompt will let you know the application is preparing its output. Once the criteria are generated, the solicitation will move automatically to the Approve Evaluation Criteria block. The time to develop criteria can be considerable, and our application reduces that task to a fraction of that time. After the evaluation criteria are generated, you can review, modify, add, and delete those criteria here. This was a very straightforward solicitation, 200 trail cameras as well as associated freight to get to its destination. Now we can go on to processing vendor proposals. Once we approve our evaluation criteria, it is now in the Register Vendor Proposal queue. I have input the required vendor information into our system and their supporting documents. We have two vendors that have responded to our solicitation, each with a quote and their representations and certifications. Now let's send these two proposals forward for evaluation. Similar to the evaluation workspace, Vendor proposals will show up in the process evaluation. Once the evaluation of vendors is complete, it automatically will be moved to reports generated for review. Now consider this. It would take a seasoned contract specialist 30 minutes per vendor checking representations and certifications in several systems for 8A certifications and databases for past performance, as well as evaluating cost and technical considerations. 100 proposals can take 7 workdays to accomplish. This task is now reduced to a matter of minutes. This is the heart of our offering. Vendor proposals in this array are represented by size based on the fulfillment of the solicitation requirement. That is, vendors who satisfy more requirements more completely show up as larger blocks on this display. You can download and review a consolidated report for all vendors or reports on a single vendor. Clicking on the vendor block will show you how they scored in an evaluation area, as well as display how well each vendor ranked based on specific requirements. Thank you for joining us. We're proud of our product, and we are certain it will aid government procurement professionals save time and cost, provide complete traceability and compliance, and reduce reliance on manual skills using our AI-driven Decision Assistant SaaS product. As veterans who have proudly served our nation, we are committed to continuing that service by supporting those who still serve at every level of government. At Procurity, we're dedicated to providing the acquisition workforce with robust, reliable decision support software to enhance their mission-critical work. My name is Randy, and I look forward to hearing from you. Together, we can continue to serve our country with excellence.